Hello and welcome. My name is Kuda from kudaonline.com. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a training that's actually going to take place on the 6th of July 2019. And if you missed the live training, you can actually watch the replay, and I'm going to put the link below this video. So the training is the title, The Fundamentals of WordPress. It's actually 1 hour long training, which is going to be presented by Jay from the affiliate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to like that, and I'm actually going to subscribe to this training because I'm actually going to attend. So if you are in the space of making money online or in any kind of businesses, you may be familiar with building websites. And when you're actually inside the back office of WordPress, there is a lot going on. So WordPress is one of the platform that is used to create websites, and over 30% of the websites online are created via WordPress. So there can be a lot of confusion in terms of running a WordPress platform. So in this live training, you're going to learn, Jay is going to walk you through the main functionality of WordPress and give you the insights of how to properly set up and use WordPress settings to maximize your website efficiency and success. So if you're going to attend this live training, the benefits you're going to get and the learning outcomes: number one, there's going to be a walkthrough of WordPress back office. Okay, what is what and how it works, and the most common the commonly used areas. Okay, like once you're actually in the back office of WordPress, you're gonna learn the most common used areas like they've indicated there, and keep your plugins and themes up to date. So if you're going to be using WordPress, this is what is known as plugins and themes. So these are actually some tools or additional tools that you actually add to your WordPress for functionality. Okay, so you're gonna learn that managing your core areas of your WordPress of your website. So when you actually have a website, it needs to be managed. Okay, so that's what you're actually gonna learn. And there's gonna be a live WordPress walkthrough. You're gonna learn from there, and also a live Q&A session whereby you can actually kind of ask questions. So personally, I'm gonna attend this training. So I can see that a lot of people here. There's some few comments that people are actually commenting who are going to be attending this. Then I see WordPress this. Okay, thanks. I learned a lot from the best. I would like to have an opportunity to learn as much as I can. I would see this as an opportunity to learn about WordPress. So there's quite a lot of comments right there. I'm not going to read them all out, but this is a training that is a must attend if you want to learn how to build a website with WordPress. So with that being said, I've added a link below this video that you can actually register for this training. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below this video. Bye for now.